How to use ChatGPT. Step-by-step guideline. So we'll come to ChatGPT. We'll be able to log in. If you don't have an account, ensure you sign up. After we log in, for me, it will go automatic. I know I'll just be able to continue with Google since I already have an account with them. After having an account, I'll come to this platform. Once I come to this platform, I will see the AI where I'm supposed to use the ChatGPT. We'll come and search for in the Google Trends today. We pick a topic. We'll be able to pick in the trending searches. We pick the topic that is that has the most searches for today. We'll see it's this one about Brazil. President Lulu is heading to China to reverse blast something that one will be able to pick that topic. So we'll come to our ChatGPT. We say it tell us more about this topic. Tell us more about this topic. We'll be able to tell it we'll be able to give it a chance. You can see the topic that was trending in the Google search. You can see how the AI has a lot of skills. It is able to automatically generate the topic. Refers to former Brazil. This. You can see in a minute that we're able to get that content. In case you're not contented, you always have an option to say regenerate. And once you reach to regenerate, it will draft a new content, and you can take the content, post it in your website, and it will rank high in the search engine. This ChatGPT 14 version for search review, and we can see how fast it is working. Thank you for sticking with me. This is lifestyle tutorials. Ensure you subscribe, like, share, and comment.